Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency on Etsy. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're starting to use Etsy, but the prices on all the items are displayed in the currency that you don't want. How do you actually go ahead and change that? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's first log on to Etsy, then click on your profile icon on the upper right-hand corner. Then click on Account Settings. Now, it might prompt you to log into Etsy, so simply just log in. Now, once you're on this page here, go ahead and scroll down, and you're going to find this setting called Currency. So this is where you could actually change your currency to British pound, Canadian dollar, Hong Kong dollar, etc. Once you select your desired currency, just click on Save Settings, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your currency on Etsy. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.